Hello, so this is my presentation video for Enhancement 3. So we're just going to start out here by heading to the login page through the controller. So we hit my account, brings it into login. It's not pointing to the view. If we validate the CSS, you see that it is all validated. If we validate the HTML, we will also see that it's valid. And then if we do the wave check, we can see here that everything works. So if we head to the register page, we can validate the HTML here. Now it works. Then we head to the wave, no errors, contrast, everything looks great. And then from here you can just head back to the home, you head to the account, and all the links work just fine. But yeah, so that is my presentation video for Enhancement 3.